In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your video in Google Meet. So assuming I'm in an existing meeting here and I want to change the background of my Meet, I can hover over the profile picture over here and you can see background and effects. We can click on it and then you'll be able to have all of these features to change from. So you can have any of these. These are available backgrounds that you can actually put in. Okay, and then you have nature, you have stylized, and you have fantasy, depending on what you want. Let's say I'm going with something simple, but then we have to turn on the camera and then okay, so right now we can choose anyone. I can choose from the available ones. I can choose from these ones, or if I like, I can just go ahead and upload my own from here. So you can just go ahead and click on this and then you can upload any of your image that you have, and if you set it it's going to serve as your own background. Okay, but I prefer something like this to be something cool. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.